Binance Coin or BNB. What it is, why it increased in price so much, why it is right now the number third cryptocurrency asset in the world, and can it flip Ethereum for that second place? First things first, what is BNB? It was created as a utility token by the cryptocurrency exchange Binance, which is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. The role of the token is a utility token, and it gives such benefits as if you hold enough BNB, you can drastically lower your trading fees on the Binance exchange, which for people that are trading a lot of volume, this is a huge benefit. Also, you can hold the BNB token and participate in the BNB vault. If you have a locked up tokens in the BNB vault, you will be getting all the tokens that go through the Binance Launchpad, which is a startup incubator for cryptocurrency projects, and some pretty cool projects that have value go through this process and basically giving you a dividend of these tokens that you can then sell in the market. And then another benefit that you get is Binance uses a portion of its profits every single quarter, and they use it to do a stock buyback, or it's called a token burn, where they buy tokens from the market with the profits and then they burn those tokens. So these utilities were enough for the token to be valued at around top 10 or top 20 in the cryptocurrency world. So basically it was near the top all the time for a long time, because it had a lot of value just by having these utilities. But why did it increase in value so much recently? Well, there is a second part of Binance token that we need to talk about. Binance also has a blockchain, a dual blockchain platform that's attracting a lot of attention right now. How it works? There is a Binance Smart Chain that is somewhat like Bitcoin, which is built for fast transactions and to be used for their decentralized exchange. Now, because they didn't want to overwhelm their Binance chain network with different projects, they also created a Binance Smart Chain, which is very similar to Ethereum. It is interoperable with Ethereum. You can launch your Ethereum smart contracts on the Binance Smart Chain. Also, you can use MetaMask to log in or connect to the Binance Smart Chain network. So in essence, all the users of Ethereum can very easily switch to using Binance Smart Chain. And Binance Smart Chain is just like Ethereum. You can do smart contract platforms, and recently people started developing decentralized applications and, more importantly, DeFi protocols. Some of the well-known are PancakeSwap, Venus, BurgerSwap, and I think some other food-related DeFi projects as well. And these projects started gaining traction. Now, why? Ethereum was the winner of the blockchain platforms for a very long time, but recently, when the price skyrocketed, transaction fees are just too high. Average transaction fee on Ethereum right now is around $20. Even when the price corrected a bit, it's still super high, and it is not very feasible for retail investors that are not investing that much money. I think I found a tweet on Twitter, obviously, that has calculated that you would need to invest at least $8,000 in an Ethereum DeFi protocol and earn interest within a month, and that interest would only pay up within a month that what you would pay in fees. Because if you are participating in a DeFi lending protocol, it means you are paying not just a single transaction fee, You might need to swap tokens, lock them in a pool, then get them back out of the pool, and then send them or trade them for another crypto. And that adds up to a lot of fees, even into hundreds of dollars. So that's not good for retail investors. And even I wasn't really psyched up of investing or trying out these protocols, as the fees eat up all your profits pretty much. So if you're not investing huge sums of money, then it was a huge problem. And this is why Binance Smart Chain came into action and people started actually using it. There's plenty of blockchain platform competitors, and they all seem to have the best new technology, but technology is not always the most important stuff. The most important stuff is obviously the community and what projects are running on it. And Binance Smart Chain currently, I think, has, if not the second largest, but close to the second largest economy of decentralized applications. And this narrative, combined with the huge bull run that we are currently having, skyrocketed the price of Binance Coin. And who knows, will this narrative continue? If more and more projects come to Binance Smart Chain and it continues to scale and continues to offer low fees without getting congested, then it definitely might attract a huge community around it. Now, the problem with Binance Smart Chain is that it's not fully decentralized, and that's not great. But right now in the bull market, not that many people care about it. So developers, also because it is interoperable, can easily go from Ethereum and launch their projects on Binance Smart Chain, and that's going to lead to a easy going and growing community. Now, can Binance Smart Chain or the BNB token flip Ethereum? Well, from the price action that we currently have, Binance Smart Chain seems to be very stable and growing much more than Ethereum. Ethereum has been on a very slow uptrend. It has gone a lot since then, since the start of the year, but Binance Smart Chain had a huge increase right now, and it doesn't really seem to be stopping. At one point it was at $330, and right now when I'm doing this video it's at $250 after this correction that we had. Will it increase up more? Well, it might. And for Binance Smart Chain to flip Ethereum, right now I think it is at $40 billion and Ethereum is around 180. So just to catch up, Binance Coin should increase in value 4 times. So from 250, 4 times, that would be $1,000 per Binance Coin. And then it should grow even more to flip Ethereum. Is it possible? Well, a lot of things are possible in a bull run. Will it happen? It's very hard to tell. So this is what's happening with Binance Coin. It's a great utility token. Are the current valuations reasonable? It's hard to tell because there's just a handful of projects on Binance Smart Chain and there's way more on Ethereum. But with time, it might flip, and because of lower fees, people and smaller retail investors will gravitate towards Binance Smart Chain. So this is it for this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave that like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.